and digital responsibility. Technology has become an important part of our lives. We use the internet for learning, communication, and entertainment. However, just as we learn to stay safe on the road, we must also learn to stay safe online. Today's assembly reminds us that every click, every post, and every message reflects our character and our responsibility as digital citizens. Let us begin with a moment of reflection.
Please sit comfortably and observe.
Just hold on, just hold on.
Of silence. You may pray according to your own faith or simply reflect quietly. Loving Creator and source of all wisdom, thank you for the gift of knowledge and technology. Help us to use these tools wisely and responsibly. Give us the wisdom to make good choices online, the courage to stand up against cyberbullying and dishonesty, and the kindness to treat others with respect both in person and in the digital world. May we always seek truth, protect ourselves and others, and use technology to learn, create, and make the world a better place. Amen.
Knowledge gives us power, but wisdom teaches us how to use that power responsibly. Technology is a powerful gift. Whether we use it to build or harm depends on the choices we make every day.
Now let us watch a video prepared by Class 7A. The theme of the video is Think Before You Click. Please sit comfortably and enjoy the video.
Three friends, Ben, Chris, and Aisha, are chatting after school.
Look at this funny picture of a classmate. Someone edited it. I'm sending it to everyone.
Ha ha ha. This will go viral, yeah.
Wait, did they give permission? How do you feel if someone shared your photo without asking?
Ben hesitates.
I got a message saying, I want a brand new phone. I just need to click in this link and enter my details.
Wait, don't click it. It could be a scam.
Let's check the sender first.
They notice strange spelling and a suspicious website.
I'm glad I didn't click.
Why are people saying these things about me? I didn't do anything.
It's just a joke.
If it hurts someone, it is not a joke. We should report it instead of forwarding it.
Every choice online has consequences. Remember these 5 rules. Think before you post. Protect your personal information. Be kind online. Never believe everything you read without checking. Tell a trusted adult if something online makes you uncomfortable. Technology should connect us, not hurt us.
Before we click, we think. Before we share, we care. Before we post, we show respect.
Imagine handing your house keys to a stranger. Most of us would never do that. Yet sometimes we freely share our passwords, phone addresses, school names, phone numbers, and even our location online without thinking. The internet never forgets. What we post today can remain online for years. A single unkind comment, a fake story, or an embarrassing photo can affect someone's life long after we have forgotten about it.
Being digitally responsible means thinking before posting, respecting other people's privacy, using strong passwords, checking facts before sharing information, reporting harmful or suspicious content, limiting screen time and making time for family, friends, exercise and reading. Remember this simple rule.
S for stay safe. T for think before you click.
O for only share what is appropriate.
P for protect yourself and others.
after me. Today I pledge to use technology wisely. To protect my personal information. To respect others online and offline. To never bully or spread harmful messages. To think before I click, post or share. To report anything that makes me or others feel unsafe. To use technology to learn. Create and make a positive difference.
Thought for the day. Your digital footprint is your digital reputation. Walk wisely. Thank you.
us once again observe a brief moment of silence. May we leave this assembly committed to using technology with wisdom, respect and responsibility. May our words online reflect the same kindness we would show face to face. Thank you. Have a safe, productive and wonderful day. Now I would like to call the principal, Brother Sebastian George, to address our gathering.
Very good morning to you teachers and my dear students. Thank you class 7A teacher and students for that wonderful theme on cyber safety as well as cyber wellness. How each of us need to be careful when we use the phone, when we use computers or laptops or tabs or whatever it may be. Children, please remember all the information that you use online is not safe for you. So you need to be careful, you need to be observant, and you need to be alert. Otherwise, one day you will regret as to what you have done. So please remember that. And I also want to thank class 7A for the creativity that has been put into it. Normally we hear a lot of these assemblies with a lot of knowledge, content. There's a little bit of creativity there. So I want to thank them for that. And the student initiative of preparing the assembly is what has come across this morning. What class 7A has also put forward is a lot of you students have hidden talents within you. Be it music, be it creating videos and audios, a lot of hidden talents among you. It's just a matter of finding what you are good at and carrying that forward. Music, art, games, reading, writing, all these can be hobbies during your free time. And every one of you has the opportunity to do it. So my request to you children is, don't remain an average, ordinary student in the school. Do your academics, participate in games, follow your hobbies, be it music, be it art, be it sports, whatever it may be, follow your hobbies. And that's what makes the best of you. Not just getting 80 marks and 90 marks in maths. Doing the academics, taking part in sports, being creative in who you are. Please put your hands together for class 7 teacher and students. Thank you very much.